So I got this coffee maker, guys, and when I'm telling you that I got just a coffee maker, okay, because I got in coffee makers before, pardon my doggy, I did not know that it was gonna come with so many things. So I thought it was gonna be the coffee maker, but like what? Like so many things, guys. So let me unwrap it and show you guys. Let's see what's in there. Oh, this is cute. I was like, I need to go get. I have my other machine, my other coffee machine, but I wanted something quicker. You know, sometimes you're in a rush with your kids, and you're trying to have a little bit of coffee. So I'm not a coffee person. And here, guys, is all the flavors of the for to pick. Let's see. Ooh, don't they look like candies? Oh my goodness. They look like candies. Like truffles or something. What the? Okay, they're stuck in there, I guess. But you can pull, maybe you can pull. Yeah, there you go. So, oh, they have this pressure, guys. They're so silky, like it almost dropped out of my face. Ah! So yes, guys, isn't this cute? I really like how I came over here, guys, in my little station area. I'm gonna try to put more little things just to make sure how it looks. So you have it in that little spot. I really like the style of it. Really do. Has the little small, medium, and large, like depending on what size you want. So I really love this, guys, and the fact that this is like just perfect, like really sleek. Like I need, because the space, the better. So yes, guys. So let's see when I make a coffee. See how it looks.